Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding exactly where page numbers should begin and why. This prevents later resets. Once decided, go to the end of the preceding page and insert a section break next page so Word treats the following pages separately. Make sure Show /hide paragraph is on so you can confirm the break is in place. This step isolates headers and footers. Without it, you can't restart or change numbering formats accurately, so don't skip inserting and verifying the section break now. Once the section is in place, double-click inside the header or footer where you want numbers and disable link to previous so changes won't affect prior sections. Then insert page number and pick position. Next, choose Format Page Numbers to select number style and set Start at to 1 or another value. If you're doing front matter, pick Roman numerals and then switch to Arabic in the next section. This unlink then format pattern is what lets you mix styles and restart counts reliably. To finish, update the table of contents and any cross-references so they reflect new page numbers. Right-click and update field or update entire table. Save a copy or save as a template if this layout repeats. If something goes wrong and numbers don't show or display oddly, switch to print layout and press Alt plus F9 to reveal field codes. Sometimes page number fields need updating or reinserting. If the wrong section is linked, go back to the header/footer and recheck link to previous to correct it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.